Okay, Shop Talk, July 31st. After today, month 7 will be gone. Looking at the 8th month of the year of 2024. Yep, thinking about doing my Christmas shopping because it's coming. It's coming, I'm telling you. This is Shop Talk with Buck. Glad to have you with me. I'm just going to give you an update on my bench. I've been working on it. Been working 2 or 3 hours a day. I got to update a bunch of servers to update today, so actually if I get 2 or 3 hours, I'll be lucky today. However, I got my legs cut to length plus 1/8 inch. They're squared, and I got them laid out right here. Where they're going to go. It's going to be shorter on this side than this side. This is where the vise is going, so I had to make room for it. So I think this is the way I'm going to do it. I thought about making it stretchers longer and go to the tool well, but I think I'm just going to do it this way right here. Tool well is going to be something like that right there. So I think I'm going to just do it right here. So I will mortise and tenon these in, and then I'll make the stretchers. Once I get the mortise and tenon in, it'll go really fast then. But yeah, at the rate I'm going, I might get this thing this week. I just might do that. However, it is what it is. So I got to update them servers. I got 5 servers I got to update. It's a major update too. They can go quickly, or they can be an all-nighter. You can't tell, but if everything goes normal and I don't have to pull from backups and start over, should be done in a couple hours. But golly bum, I dread major updates because I've had them things go bad, and Lord of mercy, I mean, it is, now you're in a crunch because you got live servers down. So I hate live updates. Well, anyway, I am going to, so I don't know if I've got anything to show y'all in here. No. I just ain't a lot going other than my bench. I love to get that done. But as Shop Talk goes, the channel's doing pretty good. I got 52 subscribers now. That is not bad. That is not bad. I am proud of that. I mean, I never would have thought I'd had that kind of interest in me standing around talking. But anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Today's Wednesday. We're thinking about going to church. This will be her first time back to church in 3 months. But she's getting, I knew when she put weight on that leg that we'll be able to go. She's doing much better. Every day gets better and better. She's doing more and more, getting more and more independent. That's why I come down here and spend a little more time down here, which is good. Get out of her way. I'm sure I'm getting on her nerves. But when she started getting cabin fever, I knew then that she's on her way, if you know what I mean. So, I will sign off here. I appreciate y'all watching. I really, really do. I really do. But I will see you guys tomorrow. And hopefully y'all have a wonderful day. I'll see you then.